Hello, this video is about modern and creative patio design ideas. In this video, we are going to share with you very special, unique and selective latest patio designs, pergola design ideas, and also will give you few tips for better planning related to patio. Patios or pergolas are outdoor spaces that can be designed and utilized in a variety of ways. They can be used for dining, entertaining, relaxing, or as an extension of your outdoor space. When designing a patio, there are several factors to consider, such as the size of the space, the desired function, and the overall aesthetic of your home and yard. Here are some tips to help you create the perfect patio design. The size and shape of your patio will depend on several factors, including the size of your yard and the desired function of the space. If you plan to use your patio for dining and entertaining, you will need a larger space. If you plan to use it for relaxation, consider the shape of your yard and any existing landscaping features when determining the shape of your patio. The materials you choose for your patio will depend on your personal style and budget. Popular materials for patios include concrete, pavers, natural stone, and wood. Concrete is a durable and affordable option, while paver and natural stone offer a more natural look. Wood is also an option, but it requires more maintenance than other materials. The layout of your patio should be functional and aesthetic pleasing. Consider how you will arrange furniture and other features on your patio. Leave enough space for people to move around comfortably and ensure that there is enough seating for all guests. Lighting is an important element of any patio design. It can create a warm and inviting atmosphere and make your patio more functional at night. Consider adding string lights, lanterns, or other outdoor lighting fixture to your patio. Landscaping can help to soften the edges of your patio and create a more natural look. Consider adding plants, flowers, or even a small garden around your patio to enhance its beauty. The furniture and accessories you choose for your patio should be comfortable, functional, and stylish. Consider adding a table and chairs for dining, a lounge chair for relaxing, and a fire pit or outdoor heater for warmth or on cool evenings. Designing a patio requires careful consideration of several factors, including size, shape, material, layout, lighting, landscaping, furniture, and accessories. By following these tips, you can create a beautiful and functional outdoor space that meets your needs and enhances the beauty of your home and yard. There's a lot to consider when it comes to planning your perfect garden patio. You have to think about how you intend to use your outdoor retreat, the paving you will use, the right furniture to fit the space, your budget. Any additional cost will incur, the list goes on. So at the end of this video, we want to request you, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.